must get in.
What's that noise? Oh no! They are trying to get in! I will protect Mama and Simmy! Stay back! Not this door either! You must not pass me! I must stay awake. Finally, they are leaving! Mama, where is Snowy? Snowy? What are you doing? Wolves were outside all night. I stayed awake to keep you safe.
You are so brave, my son.
This is for my brave brother.
We will build something stronger to keep wolves away.
Yes, Mama, this will work.
See? Now no wolf can enter.
Now we can sleep safely.
Bravery is important, but wisdom and preparation keep us safe. Thank you for watching.